at LO3 malnutrition. Okay, this is a really small part, so I think if you do like a good hour or two on this, you can get this done quickly. Now the first bit, definition. What is malnutrition? That's the first part of your grading criteria. Have you got a quality definition of malnutrition? Get that bit right. Next part is split up into three sections. It's overeating, undereating and dehydration. Now as you're doing these, it's important that you know this is marked as can you make links with other parts of the course. Now the part of the course that it really links well to is sports injuries, and I'll go into that in a second. The other part is principles of training section. Okay? Now, overeating, it's on page 171, you need to say what it is. It links to components of fitness because the components of fitness start to go down. Anxiety and confidence, this is again linking back to the injuries unit, psychological factors affecting performance. You've got diabetes you can talk about, again that's another link with RO41, and developing illnesses. All of this needs to be under a bracket of, when you're talking about these particular things, how does that impact performance and participation? Why does that stop performance and participation? Well, if someone develops illnesses, they're not going to be able to participate in sports. That type of thing. Just be painfully obvious with that type of link. Undereating, what is it? Again, page 172, the book does this section really nicely. It's only 2 pages in the book, as I said, it's a small section. You'll have less energy for your exercise. It'll weaken bones and muscles. You can make links there. I should have wrote that there. That's another link one that you can make with that RO41. Concentration comes down. Eating disorders, vitamin deficiencies, anorexia, vomiting during exercise, and then basically you've got a lack of nutrients during your exercise. So you've not got enough nutrients. Again, how does that affect performance and participation? Well, it's going to affect performance because you're not going to have the necessary nutrients to continue going for that 90 minutes or that 80-minute rugby game or whatever it may be. Next one is dehydration. What is it? Definition is on page 174. You don't sweat enough, which basically means you're susceptible to heat stroke and overheating, which again is an environmental factor in sports injury section. That's one of the things that you'll be revising for your exam. To get the word environmental factors, if you've got a warm day and you are not hydrated, you've got a problem. Heat stroke. You're more likely to tire quickly, and again, concentration will go down. Are you making these links with performance and participation? How does concentration going down impact performance? Well, it might mean that you're too tired to use the correct technique and you might make a lazy tackle in hockey or football or whatever it may be. So make sure that you're making them links with other parts of the course. You need to make sure that your definition is right for malnutrition at the start. Page 11 is actually in the RO41 section that is all about nutrition. So I would say page 11 is key. And then obviously here, as you look at it, there's only page 171, 2, 3 and 4, and that's all of LO3 done. So this is a small section, so you should be able to smash through this and get onto your nutrition plan quite quickly. Cool.